The useful question is not whether AI can answer one spreadsheet question. It is whether it gives you the finished output your team needs. Here is the result: a reusable dashboard and PDF. Official documentation shows different handoffs. ChatGPT and Julius focus on analysis or written reports. Powerdrill and Formula Bot emphasize formatted outputs. Microsoft Copilot works inside Office. Anomaly supports recurring reports with inspectable definitions. This demo uses a synthetic workbook with 420 rows of weekly marketing performance. It is an uploaded snapshot, not a live feed. Here is the actual Excel file, opened read-only behind the report. I am showing the original request again without sending it. Use all dates, build 4 totals, compare channels, chart weekly movement, and keep calculations inspectable. The dashboard reports $3.0 million in revenue, 46,020 sessions, 2,201 conversions, and a 4.78% conversion rate. Channel charts explain the totals. Weekly charts show how revenue and conversions moved over time. A finished report should still be checkable. The saved conversion rate definition states exactly what is divided and which table it uses. The example query is visible too, so a reviewer can inspect the logic behind the label. The 6 channel rows also add back to 2,201 conversions, giving us a direct reconciliation. Generate report then exposes the PDF report option. This reviewed PDF was prepared from the same dashboard before recording. It opens with the report scope, executive summary, and verified figures. Choose the tool by the handoff you need. The full comparison is linked below.